Today I'm going to be showing you how to schedule on TikTok. The first thing to note is that you cannot use the mobile app, you have to use desktop. So Google TikTok.com to get started and log in. Once you're logged in, go to the plus button in the top right corner that says upload. Your screen should look like this with the option to select a file or drag a video in. Once your video starts loading, add your caption in. I copy and pasted mine, and I always get these quotation marks at the beginning and the end, so I just removed those. If you're just typing in, you do not have to do that. Hashtags are kind of weird for TikTok, so you have to go to the end of the hashtag, wait until it turns red, and select that hashtag, and it will show you how many people have been using it too. This is actually really cool because you're able to see other hashtags that are similar to yours and see which ones have the highest engagement. After this, it's time to select your reel cover. So go to whatever frame you think will look best for your feed and leave it there. Then, finally, we are able to schedule. If you've never done this before, a box is going to pop up and ask you to allow to schedule, and just hit allow. You'll see the toggle to schedule is now green. Now is whenever you will be able to add your date and time for whenever you would like to post. Something I should note is that TikTok does do 24-hour time, so if you're going to post at 2 p.m., you're actually going to post at 1400 for them. When you're done scheduling, it's good to always go back and double check your work. So make sure you take the time to go back and make sure the post looks just how you like it. Once everything is good, you're going to hit the red button at the bottom that says schedule. A box is going to pop up and ask you if you'd like to upload another post or manage your post. I went to manage so that I could see that I posted correctly with the date and time. And that is it, so congratulations, you now know how to schedule a TikTok.